My name is Arlen Schweiger. I'm the managing editor of Electronic House magazine, and I was asked by OmniMount if they wanted me to review a flat panel TV mount, and basically I jumped at the opportunity because my wife and I had been talking about putting in a mount for our TV. We have a 50-inch Hitachi plasma TV that we bought in late 2007, and as part of our room design, or I should say redesign, we switched from the TV was using the width of the room, and we got more depth in this area. One of the reasons that we were happy to go with the Power55 mount is because it's a motorized mount, so we'll be able to tilt it downward, because often with a TV that's up high you don't want the eye strain, and that's certainly one of the issues that we were looking for. And just in general, one of the reasons that we wanted a mount for our TV is because we do have a smaller room and we were looking to save a lot of space, and we know this will be a huge help in that way.
As far as the installation of the Power55 is concerned, a homeowner could certainly install this bracket. However, it's very highly recommended that you have a custom installer set up the bracket and mount the TV to the wall. Just from the standpoint, there's a lot of adjustments that really are required to be made to give it the full motion and to set it up correctly for the end user. Definitely having a custom installer come and do this job for you would be well worth it.
The electrical outlet's going to be located down below on the bottom shelf here. Power strip's going to plug in there. And all the equipment's going to be located up here on the top shelf out in the open. All the power is going to be running down through here and plugging down into the surge protected power strip. Also, all of our high definition cabling, as well as the center channel speaker, is going to be coming through a plate right here and plugging into the stack of equipment located on the top shelf.
As far as programming the Power55 is concerned, the Power55 remote is it's an infrared remote which can be learned into most universal remote systems. And as far as safety of the Power55 is concerned, it actually has a mechanism inside that senses any type of restriction or any type of a finger, for example, anything getting in the way of the bracket, it'll automatically stop moving to protect the safety of the individual.
All right, what we're going to do now is we're going to calibrate the remote control articulating arm here. First thing we have to do is hold down the setup button to set the 0 point. You hold it down for 5 seconds. And that sets the home position. And then now what we're going to do is we have to set the right turning side first. And we're going to hold down the right button. And we're going to be holding it down until the TV turns all the way to the right. And we're going to want to stop it about 1 inch or so from the wall. This is going to set as far to the right as it will turn. Once you've reached that point, you'll hold down the right adjustment button. Hold that down for 5 seconds, and that will lock that into memory. And then now what we're going to do is turn it all the way to the left. Without touching the wall. And then we're going to hold down the left adjustment button on the remote for about 5 seconds. And that's going to set the far left turning ability. Once that's done, you can press the home button and the TV should return to the home position.